The second article in the May edition of Awake. Cover subject: Hope for the homeless and the poor. Joe is a military veteran in the United States. Personal and family tragedies left him homeless for some 18 years. One year he began to visit a local public library where he sometimes conversed with a librarian. Those conversations changed his life. Martin, a young man in Argentina, felt spiritually empty. Life seemed purposeless to him. In his search for meaning, he left he left home and ended up living on a beach. But instead of finding the answers he was seeking, he became deeply depressed. In tears, he begged God, if you exist, please help me to find you. What was the outcome? We shall see. We shall see. People become homeless for various reasons. Some, like Joe, experience personal tragedies. Like Martin, others, others like Martin, simply opt out of normal life, seeing it as a meaningless routine. Still others become homeless because of poverty, natural disasters, domestic violence, drug or alcohol abuse, mental illness, a lack of affordable housing, or loss of employment. Once thought to be limited to developing lands or those battered by war or economic depression, homelessness has emerged as a major social issue in most developed nations, says Psychology Professor Paul Toro. The footnote reads, because of conflict, violence, or persecution, millions of people have been forced from their homes, becoming refugees or eternally displaced persons. This problem was discussed in the January 22, 2002 issue of Awake. End of footnote. Contributing factors may include government policies, government policies regarding aid to low-income families and a widening gap of income inequality. Many people are anxious about tomorrow. Some, however, have lessened their anxiety by considering what the Bible says about the future, a topic that we will touch on shortly. The Bible can also can also can also can 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 the Bible can also help us now by giving us sound principles to live by, principles that enhance both our economic security and our emotional health, as Joe and Martin discovered for themselves. Yes? Yes, you can. Maybe I will. Yeah, possibly.